This is a bird that can only look outside through a small opening, and it has been inside for 2 months. So how did it get inside? Before we find out, please like and subscribe to help this little bird. To do this, first, it chooses a suitable tree cavity. Once inside, it seals the entrance with mud, feces, and food, leaving only a small opening, just big enough for the male to pass food through every day. The female inside will lay eggs and incubate them, and only when the chicks are big enough will they break through the sealed entrance to get out. This is the hornbill, a species currently at high risk of extinction due to their unique horn-shaped beak.